recording inside the Ferret, so I know where to put shit back after I take it out. Hello, Locksbox. Alright, so here's the inside of the Ferret. I gotta take all that shit off the wall. Gotta unplug all that shit so I can get the freaking gas tank out of here. It has been gutted. The biggest fucking pain in the ass ever. Holy shit. Now we gotta get this thing out of here, this gas tank. Oh my. All this. And I am not a mechanic. I have no idea what I'm doing. But I think, hopefully I can remember how everything goes back. All right, here we are. We're about to yank a gas tank out of here. We removed everything we thought we could remove. So yeah, we got it hooked up to a system here.
Logan's like, hey, I'm coming down to Hunter's for a birthday party.
Yay.
Christmas party. He wants to get his fucking get 4 jumps knocked out. And then go down to airborne school, jump with Max on his final jump.
And that's the last one he needs for his senior wings?
I'll pin his seniors on, and Max will take his novice wings and pin them on. Oh. So Max fucking.
And we're on. Okay. All right.
There we go.
Oh, get the fucking magnet out of the way. Ugh. All right. I think we're
Okay, I can push this way a little bit.
Oh fuck. Yeah, we can move this way. All right, come on.
A few moments later.
There you go.
Alright, let me get this fucker out of the way.
Well, if there's anything, Matt, you're definitely going to know the inside of Alice. Alice, fucking your armored car now.
Yeah, but I don't know what anything does. I just know what.
Hey, look, there's your flywheel.
How many flywheel in the Army actually knows what it does? They just know it bolts to here. It's the whirly gig that fucking actually does.
More moments later.
Rotate it. Rotate maybe.
No, that needs to come up. Back, see, right back down there, it's catching.
Let's hold it up.
A little later.
Is that ammo can box right there that your hand is on, is that attached to the...
That's to the door. We have to drop the door. That's why I say I think in the end I'm going to have to drop the fucking door. And to do that I have to move the Ferret out of the way.
Much later.
Alright. And there we go, man. The fucking gas tank is free. I'm free. I'm free. And that's how we do it. Now we send it up to Raleigh and get it lined and we're done.
Take this shit too.
Oh no.
No, we gotta take that.
How do we fix that?
Don't leave that.
No, it shouldn't be anything.
That's it.
wrong.
Cut. Ta-da!